sit down here for a sec. We are back in this white shirt from the last clothing haul I did, a Shein haul. Go check it out. But we're back with another clothing haul, kind of, sorta. I got a Stitch Fix box in for this month. I haven't gotten it in a few months. And if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a subscription service for clothes. So you can get it every 3 months or every 6 months or every month or whatever. You can actually choose like when you get it. There's also a like referral link. You can refer friends and get $20 off for yourself, and they also get $20 off or something like that. But I've been getting Stitch Fix for a few years now. I only get it every 3 months. Or less than that. My mom gets it too, she loves it. So what they do is they send you 5 items, and it could be tops or pants or dresses, shoes, jewelry. You can leave a little note for them if you want something specific, and you have like the same stylist every month, or you can change your stylist. But yeah, I really enjoy it. Give me little surprises, and you try things that you might not have ever tried in the store. If you get an item you don't want, you just send it back. And if you buy all 5 items, you get, I think, a 25% discount on everything. So yeah, let's see what I got in my box this time. All right, so here's my little bundle. I didn't actually leave a note this time because I kind of forgot. So I have no idea what could be in here. If you don't leave a note, your stylist will go like off of your past purchases. And there's also like a huge style quiz and everything, which makes it really accurate to what you might like. Let's open it. First, I see a color that I would not normally like go for. Well, this is very summery, and I would wear this in the summer. But do I need it? I'm not sure. I like the material. It probably fits really well. Probably is flattering. So I'll try it on in just a second. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing, ooh, this is cute. I actually kind of wanted to dress like this. It's very thick for summer. I say I wanted a dress like this, and I just got like a bunch of black dresses, but you know, I didn't get one like this, okay? This looks very nice. All right, it's like almost ribbed. Cool. Oh, looks like I got some jewelry. If you hear things, it's either my dogs playing or the storm that's coming through. All right. I don't really know if I would wear this. I think this is a necklace. Let's see. Let's go ahead and see what this necklace looks like with this shirt. I have a gold necklace that would look pretty with this shirt already, so I doubt I'm gonna get this. Okay. It's pretty, but I have something else I like better that would go with this shirt. Well, talking about this shirt specifically, but whatever. Maybe it would go good with the dress. I don't know. I don't really need it, so I'm probably gonna send this one back. Spoiler alert, I'll probably send the necklace back. I usually don't end up getting the jewelry. And I usually ask them not to send me shoes or anything unless I want it. Unless I'm like looking for shoes. Because you can do that too. You can specifically ask not to get certain items, which is nice because I'm not a shoe person. Sneak it back in the box here. Okay. Alrighty, this is the next thing. Okay, it's another dress. Jumpsuit, maybe? It looks like a pretty jumpsuit, but it feels like the material that ladies wear to an office, like to go work. And I don't do that. I wear scrubs to work. All right, and then the last thing is these jeans, which even if they fit, I have stuff like this already, and I have jeans like this already. I'll try them all on and see how they all look. Okay. First little outfit. I feel like I am summer in a cup. A cup? Like a glass of summer. All right, anyway. This is the shirt, like the summery shirt I was showing y'all. And these are the jeans that I got in. The jeans that I said I was definitely not going to get because I have so many jeans, but these jeans are a great length on me. And they fit really well. All the shirts are size small, and the dresses that I get, they're either size 4 or size 6, and the pants are always gonna be size 6. So that's what these are, and they fit perfectly. Stitch Fix is really good about fitting pants. It is so hard for me to find pants that have a good length and also fit me like the right way. But every single pair of pants I've gotten from Stitch Fix has fit. And I usually end up getting them just because they fit so well. So I probably won't get the shirt just because I have shirts like this already, and I don't need another one. But it's a nice breezy material. It's really great for going to like a restaurant in summertime. I think I might get these pants. Let's go to the jumpsuit next. Let's jump into the jumpsuit. This is a nice jumpsuit, and it has pockets. Wow. It's got this cute little flattering detail right there. I guess it's flattering, is it? I think it is. Yeah, it hits at a nice little place. It's not like, anyway, it's a nice kind of swingy material. I still don't think I'm gonna get this because I don't really need it. I don't think I would wear it very often at all. It looks sort of like an office lady's jumpsuit. I don't know. Kind of feels like it. You could probably wear it to a wedding though, or like a restaurant in the summertime again. But I think I am going to just send this back just because I don't need it, and it's probably pretty pricey just because it's a nice jumpsuit and it's got pockets, which makes it really, really nice. But if you saw my Shein haul, I did just get like a casual jumpsuit with pockets as well. And I think I would wear that one over this one. And that one was probably like a fourth of the price than this one is. Okay, last thing. Let's spin. Wow, okay. Dang, okay. Yeah, I've always wanted a dress like this. This is the dress I was looking for in that Venus haul I did with a bunch of black dresses. I was looking for a dress like this, and I found it right here. Wow, okay. I like this dress. So it's like a little cross body thing coming around here, and it's got sort of this ruching. It's very flattering. It hugs right here. Oh my gosh. The material, it being so, it's not even that thick once you put it on, but the material is sort of thick, so it kind of hides any imperfections you might be worried about, and it even does an extra job at it with this detail going across right here, and it's got like a double little layer right here that's super flattering, and it's very soft too. It's a ribbed texture as well. I really like how it's cut up here. Usually dresses, or usually like tanks, give you a weird little thing right there, and I don't like that. It is a little bit like tight around the arms, but it's not too bad because the material is super soft. Yes, I my god, I want to wear this dress like right now. So yeah, I think, well, let me look at how much these things are. Gosh. Hey, can you see me? Oh, someone's calling me, I think. Why do people keep calling me? All right. So you get this little thing in your box. And got a card that comes with, like outfit ideas for the stuff that you get. I'm gonna just scooch down here. You get a little card with outfit ideas for all the stuff in your box and a little letter from your stylist. I didn't, like I said, I didn't leave a note for my stylist, which is why I didn't really get too many things that I really, really liked. Well, I mean, hey, I'm not complaining because I don't want to spend a ton of money here. But anyway, that's the card. And then I've got the little price tag information. And this is like, let's see. Yeah, this dress is, ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna put the jeans back. The jeans are very expensive, but that's okay because I have plenty of jeans. It's fine. But anyway, this dress is $68. I kind of expected it to be around that for Stitch Fix prices. The jeans were $78. Okay, they fit really well. They were a great length, but I don't really want to pay that much on jeans right now. The necklace was $28. That's like way too much for that, I think, honestly. The jumpsuit is called the Rochelle Knit Jumpsuit. Oh, Rochelle. And that was $58. I feel like this dress should have been $58 on the jumpsuit, but oh well. And that summery blouse was $40. So I feel like the prices are a little bit much for all of these items. But that's another thing with Stitch Fix. You can actually go in and put that you don't want any dresses above like $50, or you don't want any shoes below $50. So you can go in and really make what you get like your own. Although sometimes they do send items that are a little bit higher than what you want. So I am just gonna get this dress this time. $68 is fine. I'm fine with that because I really like this dress. And I can probably wear this dress a whole bunch. If I would have bought all 5 items, it would have been $272, but then I would have gotten a discount of $68 because it's a 25% discount if you buy all 5 items. And then the whole order, everything would have been $184. I don't need everything. Probably don't even need this dress, but we're here. But anyway, do you get Stitch Fix? What do you think about them if you do? If you would like to try Stitch Fix, I have my little link down below where you can get like, I think $20 off or something. Everybody gets that link. They don't know I exist. They don't know I'm making this. I mean, like, hardly anyone's gonna watch this, so. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Comment down below what you thought. What was your favorite item? What would you have kept? Like this video if you liked it. And subscribe if you like videos like these. I do stuff like this every Thursday, and I do little chill vlogs on Sundays. So yeah, it's a fun time. This kitty cat you just saw, she's in every single one of my videos, so if you like her, you know, you might as well just click subscribe. All right.